We are at Los Angeles Airport with AIM Global CEO and President Dr. Ed Cabantog and the upline of SWAT International, Kit Cuevas.
Yes, guys, napakaswerte natin. So, may message tayo ngayon mula sa ating visionary president, Dr. Ed.
Good morning. I'm so excited to announce na after 2 weeks of holiday, shopping, excitement, fun, and training here at the US, we're finally coming home. Nag-enjoy sila, natuto sila, they get to shop, they get to see new things, new environment here at the United States of America. Apat na states yung pinuntahan namin and they really enjoyed. Guys, ito ang pahinga. So if you're working out there, kung saan ka man nanonood, I know for a fact magkakaroon ng kabayaran sa clients. So continue promoting the business, continue promoting the product, believe in our company, believe in your upline, and definitely sure sooner or later, sana sooner, makakasama ka namin sa US. Okay, so see you next time here at the US Street, or hopefully Hong Kong 7, or hopefully Europe Tour. God bless. Be the power.
Yes. Ayuda!